of the construction site tour. We have a storm system in that direction, over there. This direction.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Storm system.
Oh, man. Earthquake?
Thanks for watching.